Yeah, Love Rick. This one for my aunt, the angel we lost but never forgotten. Love Rick.
Now Mark on the beat.
Kenya nigga, this one. The pain is real, I can't deny. Machozi yananguka every night, lakini amini uko mali safe, watching over us from the sky. Siamini ati wewe umeondoka. The pain is real, I can't deny. Machozi yananguka every night, lakini naamini uko mali safe, watching over us from the sky. My aunt, you left too soon. Why did you have to go? Ulituacha na majozi, now we are crying all alone. Every memory remains deep inside my soul. Pumzika kwa amani until the day we meet again. We meet again. Pumzika kwa amani until the day we meet again. We meet again. I still remember all the days when you'll make me smile. You stood beside me through the pain and walked extra mile when life was getting difficult. You told me to be strong. Now I stand here without you, it feels so wrong. Ulinitia moyo kila nilipoanguka chini, ulinifundisha kuvumilia hata wakati wa huzuni. Kila nikiangalia picha zako, machozi yananitoka, maana moyo wangu bado unaumia na kushtuka. You are more than just an aunt, you are a guiding light. You help me find the strength to keep on winning every fight. Now the hours feel different. Your laughter gone away, but the love you left behind grows stronger every day. My aunt, you left too soon. Why did you have to go? Ulituacha na majozi, now we are crying all alone. Every memory remains deep inside my soul. Pumzika kwa amani until the day we meet again. We meet again. Pumzika kwa amani until the day we meet again. We meet again. The day I heard the news, my world just fell apart. I felt a heavy silence breaking deep inside my heart. I wish I had more time to tell you what you meant to me, but now I hold this word and memories endlessly. Nakumbuka ulivyocheka, ulivyotupenda sana, ulikuwa kama mama pili ndani ya familia. Tulipokosa matumaini, ulitupa mwanga mpya. Leo tumebaki na maumivu na maswali yasiyoisha. I know you are in a better place, watching from above, surrounded by eternal peace and everlasting love. Though I can't see your face today, I feel you near somehow, and every prayer I whisper, I believe you hear me now. Sometimes I look up to the sky and wonder if you're there. Nikiona nyota zinawaka, najua unaniona mbali. Your spirit live within our hearts, it never fade away. Na tutakukumbuka milele kila siku, every day. My aunt, you left too soon, but your love will always stay kwenye moyo yetu sote mpaka mwisho wa maisha yetu tu. The tears keep falling down, I'll stand and carry on. Pumzika kwa amani, auntie, your legacy lives on. Rest in peace, my aunt, takukumbuka milele. Gone but never forgotten, forever in our hearts. In our hearts, I can't believe that you are gone. Ilimbidi nichukue kalamu tena nitunge wimbo, sikujua kwamba itakuwa ya majonzi. Love Rick, Kenya nigga on this one. Skiza Doba Nation. Love Rick.